Hello viewers, I want to welcome you to another um, video section. In this section, like before, I just want to share with you a current trend. I just want to share with you current trend in the medical field, which I believe would be very interesting for you to hear about. In the University of Maryland, Baltimore, a medical team recently report through an interview their success in transplanting heart from a genetically modified pig into a human patient. This medical process is their second trial after undertaking the first trial last year, January 2022. But in the first trial, the patient involved only survived for 2 months. Of course, in the first 40 days after the transplantation process during the first trial, the patient was observed to be okay and healthy, and 2 months after the transplantation process, the patient died. This is their second trial, recently carried out this month, a couple of weeks ago. Everyone is expecting what will be the survival chance of the patient involved in this second trial. Why do I have to bring this up for you? I would like to hear your comments and your view about this recent, let me say, news and trend in the science world. Will you take it to be a breakthrough as seen by the medical team involved, or you would take it as a kind of abnormality, or will you take it as madness in the science world? I would like to hear your views and probably your comments. But there are reasons for this kind of process that are now being carried out in the science world. One, in developed countries there is high demand for organ transplantation. At the same time, this high demand is faced with the challenge of scarcity of human donor to donate this organ needed for the transplantation process. So to solve this problem of scarcity, many believe that xenotransplantation, that is transplantation of organs into human from a non-human donor, but of closely related species to human being, would be a way of solving the problem of scarcity if this process becomes a success. At the same time, but to be sincere, this process will also be a means for many people, especially in the developed country, to also generate income. At the same time, this also will give many people who are on sickbed waiting for organ transplantation a kind of hope to live much longer. But we all have different beliefs and cultures. I would like to hear your views about this. Is this ethical or it's unethical? Your response will go a long way, and I would like to hear you. So this is just a short news and trends I want to bring to your notice. I expect that you continue, you share with people, drop your own comments, continue to watch the channel. At the same time, do well to subscribe. And for as many who are expecting more videos on spectroscopic technique lessons that we have started a long while ago, I promise to drop videos in a couple of weeks. Thank you. Stay tuned.